In number 33, we've got a 48-ounce container of juice costs $2.64. A 64-ounce container of the same juice costs $3.84. Find the cost per ounce of each container. So when we read cost per ounce, if we think about that as a fraction, or use the keyword here, per means division, we need to take the dollars divided by the ounces. A lot of times, you go to the grocery store, you'll see apples and they cost dollars per pound. Or you go to the gas station, dollars per gallon. So in this case, we're supposed to find the cost per ounce for each container. Let's do the 48-ounce container first. And this is important. A lot of times people go shopping, they think if they buy in bulk, or the bigger they buy, the better deal they're going to get. We'll see if that's the case in this situation. 48-ounce container. It's $2.64 for 48 ounces. So if I calculate the unit rate and I divide 2.64 divided by 48, the cost per 1 ounce is 0.055. Now if I just had 0.05, we know that's 5 cents. Throw another 5 there, we've got 5.5 cents per ounce. Now let's look at the 64-ounce container. The total cost is $3.84 per 64 ounces. Now if I take and calculate the unit rate, $3.84, 3.84 divided by 64, we get a unit rate of 0.06, or 6 cents per ounce. So we've done part A, we've calculated the cost per ounce of each container. Which size container costs less per ounce? Okay, well, just compare which one is smaller. That would be the 0.055, so that would be your 48-ounce container. And then you want to buy 192 ounces of juice. How much do you save using the container size from your answer in part B? There's a couple different ways to work this problem. You could figure out, well, if I'm getting 192 ounces of juice, if I take 192 and I divide it by 48, how many 48-ounce containers will I need? I'll need 4 of those at $2.64 each. The 64, I've got 192 ounces divided by 64-ounce containers. I'm going to need 3 of those at $3.84 a piece. And we could figure out our total costs here. 4 times 2.64 is $10.56. Kind of jumping all over the place here. $10.56. 3 times $3.84 is $11.52. So how much do we save if we go with the 48-ounce container? Well, take the expense of $11.52, subtract $10.56, and we see that we save 96 cents. Now, another way we could have done that is we could have said the difference between 5.5 cents and 6 cents, the difference between those two things is a half a cent, which is 0.005 per ounce. We save half a cent per ounce, and we're going to do that on 192 ounces. And if you take 0.005 times 192, theoretically, if my math is right, you get the exact same savings, 96 cents.